So it's been all over social media that people are talking about they're tired of their wigs, and I'm on the same wagon, but I got one foot off. Like, I'm gonna always love me a good wig, a nice thick, long, thin lace wig with some good color. I'm gonna love that. Okay, so we're back for part 2. We already did part 1 with the 1V part. Now I have another one from the same company, UNICE, and this is a 24-inch body weight T128. So it's an ombre, okay? So this is what she looks like straight out the pack, and I actually like this. It's like a golden brown. The color job on this is really nice. So I'm gonna put this on my mannequin head, and I'm gonna flat iron her and then install her, just so I won't have to put too much heat in my hair. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that it's straightened, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off these little tabs right here. Like that. I was wondering, could a 2x6 fit in here to close this up? But no, a 2x6, this is too small. It needs to be like a 2x4. 2x6 is too long. Okay, so I showed you guys how I did this braid pattern, which is really not like a good braid pattern, but it's a little something. And I'm gonna insert it right now. For a person that don't know how to braid, I did pretty I did pretty good. I did. Okay, so there we go. Okay, and so now I'm gonna just part it down the middle. So this is what we got so far. So I got an anchor braid, and then I just braided the rest down. So then I can just go ahead and pin these to my head. So yes, 2 anchor braids. You really don't, you just need to really stop right here. You don't need these, but then I just got a braid going right here and a braid going right here, and then I just crisscross them in the back. I like to take the elastic band from the back. I have a big head, and that's just gonna make it feel tight. So this is what the wig looks like. You have combs, adjustable straps, this drawstring right there. I like to leave it open though. And then these combs. So I'm gonna just go ahead and open the combs. And there you have it. Like, this is what it looks like on me. When it comes to this color, you could literally see the demarcation of my hair because of the undercolor. And my hair is a little bit long, so it's going into the color down here. But other than that, and then I would love to have this color in the front showing, but unfortunately, I don't have that color in my hair. So this is what she looks like. My hair blends in with this actually really well. This hair is shiny, and it's about 150 density, so it's like a natural density. So if you want something like this and you're just like tired of wigs and you want to do the whole leave out situation, this is definitely for you. And I've just been seeing a lot of girls talk about how they just want the natural look, and so this definitely gives you the natural vibe. Without having like the lace and everything and having to do all of the customizing. And you don't even have to sit for a weave, because this is basically your weave right here. You can even have this sewn down if that was your whole zhuzh. Like if that's your whole cup of tea, you could definitely have this unit sewn down, and it'll definitely give you weave vibes. But if you are a girly that likes your head to breathe, you could definitely clip this off at night, wrap your hair, put it back on in the morning, and you wouldn't have any problems. And it's definitely lightweight. Like I have no issues. At first I thought the combs that they put in here would be uncomfortable, but the combs aren't really uncomfortable. You get used to them. Like I said, for myself, I definitely need a better braiding pattern. You definitely want smaller braids right here. The back is fine, and once you put this on, you can do the drawstring so it can really cup the back of your head. But other than that, like, I think this is really cute, really cute and effortless. And this was definitely my hair length before I started chopping it off. And like I said, I think I want to go bob length, but I am not mad at this. If you want to see some more U parts in different textures, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye best friends.